when Sky comes to town. So after they leave, bits all over the place. Bit of an old bag hanging over the side. Some bits of foil and stuff.
Oh my god, who does she think she is?
And it's nice to get a brand new HD box, and then we've got something that was kicking around in the back of the van that they've put on here. Very nice. A lovely bit of wiring there.
Oh my god, what's so that?
Another bit. And then a brand new bit of wiring and just a bit of tape on that. Didn't bother cleaning up that well. Nice complete mess of wires coming into the house. Thank you very much, Sky. But a lovely HD box. And then while they were here, they broke a vase, but rather than telling everybody, they put it back together, so hopefully we wouldn't notice. And then cunningly put a vacuum cleaner in the way to cover up and left it all out. So very, very shrewd. If only they were as good at doing their cabling. There we go, not a bad job. Didn't put any glue on it. Ooh. Ooh. Won't touch that. Very good. Still the boxes all there. That's one room where Sky came to town. Go and have a look at another room. When Sky comes to town, this is the kind of a seat you get.
Oh, well listen, I just wanted to do
Bit of old scrap of paper, as you can see. High definition Sky Plus. Supply and fit, T120 tubing, amp and TV.
Yeah.
I believe that old thing that was kicking around in the bank was the amp. TV links. Run 2 cables for multi-room viewing. For use with TV Link Eye. Total cost 180. Rich.
That doesn't actually look like, you know, everybody's different. That's just what makes
And there it is. Nice bit of a official bit of paper from Sky.
I know, and he just...
I think it works though, so I suppose I've got to be grateful for that.
I saw her with the blood afterwards, and I was just like,
See what Sky's got to say.
What if she loses sensation there as
Hopefully you don't use these cowboys.
is it worth it? I mean, you've got to be built...
When Sky comes to town upstairs, so didn't really want to clean up or anything. Bit of debris all over the place. Yeah, won't bother cleaning that bit up. I'll just leave all that there. Try and hide it behind the door. There we go. I'll never see it. Bad bit of cabling down there. Can't fault them on that. Bit of an old extension there. Nice bit of wiring hanging out the side. Lovely job. That's alright. Let's go and have a look at another room. 3. When Sky comes to town, bit of old cabling, bog standard, load of old dust. Won't bother cleaning all that up. Leave it on there. Oh, we got the cable. There's the wrong lengths of cable. So what we'll do is we'll just stick it all together with a bit of old tape. There we go. A nice job. Seems it all should work. Nice bit of crappy bit of cabling again. Always nice to have a bit of quality work. And just leave the handset down there. This is in its bag. I think it's new. And let's have a look at the receipt of what Sky sends out. Their contractors puts a lot of faith in you. Let's have a look at that now.